Hi! In front of me is Motorola Edge 20 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can change theme of your keyboard on this device. Firstly, go into Settings, scroll down and choose System. Now click on Languages and Input on Screen Keyboard and Gboard. Then go into Theme over here, and tap on Show More to see all available ones. Finally, when you're done, you can click on one of those images, tap on the switcher next to keyboarders to turn them off or on, and tap Apply. You can do exactly the same with one of those colors. So now when I go back, I can see that theme of my keyboard has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!